Hi.
How's your day, honey?
Good.
Good?
But I don't like the mushrooms.
You don't eat the mushrooms?
Yeah, I don't like mushrooms.
Really? You like the mushroom soup, remember when we went to see Lola Karen?
I like mushroom soups.
Yeah. You had some of it, the mushroom soup.
It's good for my body.
That is correct. You're so right. It's good for your body.
Right. You can use it. Just put that color.
Aww.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. We lost the pushing real good. Wow.
You are silly.
Now you
You are silly.
Mommy, I'm very silly.
I am not silly. It's
Silly?
you.
Yes, you are.
Kenapa di seling?
It's you who's silly.
No, it's you.
Kenapa di seling?
No,
Alright, let's get out of the house.
So cool.
Careful, look where you're going. Good girl. We are now going to school. And mommy's gonna go to work. Daddy's working from home today. Kaya, ayan siya, naka-shorts lang. Wait a minute. Say hi sa good morning sa iyo, anak be.
Morning.
Good morning, tita and tito. Say, how are you?
How are you? Actually, moon. What the moon is going?
Oh, good. The moon is going somewhere. Where are you going now?
Shoot.
Oh, shoot! Pataka. Have a good day. Ayan na guys. Good morning.
I'm a best child.
You are the best child, anak.
Mama,
Yes, anak.
I have a purple hair.
You have a purple hair.
No, this one.
Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday morning and we are on our way to school now, and also mommy's gonna go to the office. And you know what, today is mommy's last day sa office, guys. And yes, honey
I
girl.
have purple hair.
Ay, shush, di ay. Ayan. So, last day na ni mami nyo ngayon sa office, guys. Kaya napag-isipan ko na mag-vlog para ma-document natin kung anong nangyari sa last day ni mami sa office. Kasi bukas is Friday, diba? Tapos pag Friday kasi sa bahay ako nag-work kasi si Paris na sa bahay. So, yung last day ko talaga is sa bahay. Pero sa office is today. Good morning, my little princess.
Good morning.
Shush, did you have a good sleep? Yan, maganda ang tulog niyan, guys. Oh, kasi kahapon candies. Nung pinick up ko siya, guys, nakatulog siya tapos hanggang umaga na.
I found that candy.
Who gave you that? Who gave you that?
Mommy?
Mommy, and that's from?
Tiron.
Tita Ron. Tingnan niyo, oh. Sobrang fags.
Tiron gives you the candy.
Yeah.
This one
Sobrang
candy.
ginaw.
I eat 2 candies.
Ayan, wala pa lumabas na araw.
I eat
Anyways.
chocolate and candy.
Yeah, we're gonna go now. Say bye-bye, tita. I'll see you later.
Good night.
Good night. No, I'll see you later ba in the
See
afternoon.
you later. Nothing.
A few moments later.
Nak, what did Daddy say to you today?
Best child.
You be the
Best child.
best child. So you're not a child. You are
Best child.
a best child. Good girl.
I see someone broke.
We just got here, guys, sa kanyang school.
I must go to school.
Of course you're not. Because you're a big. You're a big.
I have red face.
Come on.
Daddy have red face.
Come on, sweetie.
Daddy have red face.
We don't have red face.
Dad, we go
Yeah. Come on, sweetheart.
Cause I was
It's very cold here. Careful.
I'm hot. It's cold.
Yeah.
No, the hot.
Knock, knock. It is cold because it is... What is that? Winter, yeah.
I'm a little.
Sabi niya guys, gusto niyang pumunta sa big slide. So the big slide is in Brisbane. And where are we now? Now, where are we? We're not in Brisbane. We are in Melbourne.
Ay, mama.
Ay na.
Ayaw ko kami.
Alam na alam ta ganito ang places, guys.
Ayaw kami.
Yeah, you see? You're so tall now. Your legs are getting longer. Yeah. Come on now. The Sula's waiting. Can you close the door for Mama, please? Are you strong enough to close the door? What? You bring your bag up, Mama will close it.
No, I don't want.
You have bucket there. Alak sa paan kay gid ah. Waisan kay guys oh, iibutan sa imbuta oh.
I'm just going to my parents' chair.
Yeah, but they won't let you in with that. You can't go in with that.
No, it's just in my bucket.
Yeah, even if it's in your pocket. Mama will bring it to you later in the afternoon, okay? Come on now.
A few moments later.
Oh, what's this?
Cute, right? You can use it though. Just for deco.
Oh,
Have a baby shower.
you have a baby shower at work.
This is legit. Because you do have one. Legit, girl.
Thank you. Thank you for that. Huh?
This is like the first kid.
Yeah, no. Late invitation. Beautiful.
Is that far enough?
A few moments later.
Oh, can I just... What? Can you put it? Oh my... It's happy birthday. Oh, happy pushing. Oh, wow. Cool. Happy pushing. I kind of think it's happy.
Will be happy birthday.
Pushing to you. Happy birthday. Do you be cool? Do you love me?
Pushing real good. Oh my gosh.
How many people? 8 people. Oh, that's fine. You're not taking a hot photo here, okay?
Shall I bring the chair around to cut it up?
No, okay.
We can probably sneak clean. I thought that was the street.
No, we swapped them over because we didn't want Jimmy getting
Can you
felt.
sit in your chair?
That's why you
Sit in your chair and I take a photo.
Huh?
It's done,
See you
mate.
next
Can't change
year.
what's done.
You really need that? Wait, everyone wants to eat now. Wait, everyone wants to eat.
Sit here.
I don't know what that is.
You know, the CrossFit people eat, they start like, they just say,
This,
7, 8. 8?
Pagans.
Hagen.
you gotta keep this, yeah?
Devil worshippers.
Who else pushing?
After this cake,
I mean, what's the sense of
Jimmy, like, how tiny do you want?
Ron,
Like-
give me the cake now.
I've read it. What's that thing that
Oh, okay.
someone's made
Something like this.
tablets out?
Hi guys! Magsi 6 o'clock na ng gabi. Kakalabas ko lang sa aming building. Ayan, may mga tao pa sa loob. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for organizing today. Tignan nyo guys, oh. Sobrang daming balloon, may cake. Bongga talaga ang bestie, eh.
Like a candle. What candle you can do? Look.
Huh? I don't know why they have to put a candle, but yeah, that's it guys. That's it for me. Tomorrow I'll be working from home, so ito na talaga yung last na araw ko dito sa office. Although babalik ako next week kasi ano, babalik ako
Asan? Di.
next week to bring the the laptop and the keys kasi bukas mag-work pa man ako. Atong tiloko na tong oras kasi mag-work kaya ano natin sildo. Wait, can I put it in there? Hindi ang bag. Ay, sabi kayo na ang kuan surprise ni Paris there.
Wala magba na ng laptop.
Bal mo ang laptop. Uy, last na kayo.
Kanya, ano yun?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. But yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye, office. Ayan. Bye-bye. Oh, we're not gonna, are you working in the office tomorrow?
Every day na, forever
You can
na.
come visit me.
Forever.
I'm only, in the corner ako, T.
Forever na kong work sa office.
Yeah. Thank you for everything.
Yay! God, last day ka mo. And it doesn't feel like last day. I'll see you.
Yeah, I
See you
know.
forever.
I will see every day. Because you know what, guys? Sa Sunday, birthday ng mama ni bestie.
Birthday
Kaya
party.
wag birthday party. Birthday pala
Birthday
na.
na ako.
Kahapon yung birthday, tapos birthday party next.
Is that lahat?
Sunday.
So I got.
Oh,
Because I got this, I
You
got
got
balloon, I got thingy.
Kiss?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
balloon, I got thingy. And this morning, that's one.
Yeah. So ayan, we'll go pick up Paris now and you can go home now.
Yeah.
It's like 1 week since we went to the shopping center.
Is it 1 week already?
Yeah, it's crazy, right?
What the hell? What's gonna do?
Hindi sa matulog guys, sobrang dilim na order akong boss. Ha? I-open ba yun ang door?
Yeah.
I-open na yun. Alright, bye T.
Bye.
See you later, alligator. Uy, mo buang nga, magkita ka man kasi.
Feeling kayo last day. Hindi mo magkita. Bye.
Ay, amigo, manita na. Magkita mo na. Where's your water bottle, sweetheart? We'll have to go get your water bottle.
My water bottle was there.
What is it? Uy, get your water bottle. Where's your jacket, Nak? Baba.
I know it.
Hmm? Maybe it's in the other room. Let's go in there. Oh, is it in your bag?
No.
Say hi, say here, baby.
Hi.
How's your day, honey?
Good.
Good? What did you do today?
I love Paris.
Oh, come here. What did you do today? Can you tell mommy?
Play?
Play with?
This Imovie and me.
Oh. Millie and Mary? What did you watch today?
Skateboard.
Skateboard. Be, show me. Show me, be. Show me. Show me. How do you do skateboard, be? Stay there. Wow, like that?
Yeah, I was going fast and I put that and broke my bones.
Oh,
I went fast.
you ran fast?
No, the one the skateboard.
Oh, the skateboard?
The skateboard go fast and I will go foot down and broke my bones.
Oh, don't break your bones. That's ouchie.
Yeah, I want to do it slow.
Slow, that's right. Be, show me, be. How to do slow? Wow.
I want to go slow. But you will like fast or slow?
It depends. I can go fast. I can go slow as well.
I want to go fast and slow too.
Okay. Come on, let's go find your jacket. Because it's cold outside. And what did you eat today? Tell me.
Pizza and cupcakes.
Pizza and cupcakes. Oh my lord, you're very healthy, anak. Come,
Yeah,
let's go.
it's healthy. But I don't need the mushrooms.
You don't eat the mushrooms?
Yeah, I don't like mushrooms.
Really? You like the mushroom soup, remember when we went to see Lola Karen?
I like mushroom soups.
Yeah. You had some of it, the mushroom soup.
It's good for my body.
That is correct. You're so right. It's good for your body. See? And you're so tall now.
Oh,
See? Hmm? Wow. Paris getting bigger.
Yeah, Mom. I'm
Big
the-
Ate Paris.
I'm not Paris. I'm Sky.
You're Sky. You're my baby Paris.
I'm not my baby Paris. I'm Sky.
You are my baby Paris. I love you.
No, I'm baby
I love you.
I love you, call you.
Bedroom, okay? Bring it over.
Balloon. What's that now? What's inside that?
Wait, open it for me. I just got it for my.
Bring it in the ano. Where are you going? Bring it on the mushroom. On the table.
Is that cake for Daddy?
Open.
I made it in my finger. Yeah, I like the chocolate.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Well, what's that? It's chocolate.
Chocolate. Open this one. Yay. Ito na lang naiwan na from work.
Huh? What's that? Open it up.
Wow. Yummy? Sure.
Tiramisu.
What was it?
Ron organized it.
How was my
Wow!
How was your last day?
Mike, Mama.
Yeah, it's good.
Mike, Mama.
Are you going into the office tomorrow?
No.
Huh?
I work from home tomorrow.
So you're not going in the afternoon?
Never looked at it.
No.
Come on, dance.
But as if I'm going to do that on the
You like my shirt?
Yeah. That is so silly. Paris can play with a balloon.
Alright, Paris. So, Daddy got you a prize. But you have to eat your dinner first, okay? That's not your dinner. I'll give you a dinner. And then after we eat dinner, you can have your prize, okay? Say yes, Daddy.
Okay.
I got you soup. You like soup?
Mushroom?
Alright, I got soup, you have soup, and then we'll have dinner. I'll have soup, and then you can have your prize.
Say okay, Daddy.
Wow.
Wow.
But no soup, no prize.
You have to eat the soup. So I will, Daddy.
I will die.
Hi guys! It is the night after. So, hindi ko na natapos yung vlog ko kagabi. And then, hindi ako nakapag-vlog today kasi sobrang busy. Last day kasi, diba? And you know what? I feel so loved today ng work ko kasi before ko shut down ang aking computer tonight, sobrang nag-overflow talaga yung love messages galing sa aking mga katrabaho. They are, they're saying that mamimiss daw nila ako, ganito, ganyan. So, alam niyo yung ganun. So, that's why sa trabaho ko, guys, parang hindi lang talaga siya trabaho for me. Like, naging family ko na rin talaga sila. And as mentioned, so I've been with the company for 6 years na. So, medyo matagal-tagal na rin. Kaya, parang bonding namin kahit na hindi kami magkasama ng opisina. Yung mga katrabaho ko na galing sa ibang states, yung sa Perth, Brisbane, Sydney, Adelaide, ganun. Parang close na close pa rin talaga kami kahit na hindi kami magkasama sa opisina. And yeah, obviously yung mga kasama ko talaga sa office dito sa Melbourne, kami talaga yung sobrang close. Kaya yun. But anyways, I'm just happy na makakapagpahinga na ako ngayon, guys. Like, makakapag-ready na ako sa paglabas ng ating baby girl. Yeah, it's only, na lang ngayon, 6 weeks. And we'll never know. Baka maaga-aga yung pagdating niya. Anak! Paris Nicole!
Mommy.
Where? Show me your your earrings, babe. Come. Show me. Wow. Mickey Mouse. Say hi, tita and tito. Hello, Saba.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
But next week, guys, pupunta ako ng opisina kasi babalik ko yung yung laptop tsaka yung susi. Ganyan. And then, yeah, that's about it. So, inopen ko lang konti para ma-close na natin yung ating vlog kasi hindi ko nga natapos kagabi. So, I'm just gonna do a quick shout out now. And the first shout out goes to Lovella Radok, Rosemary Verzon, Sofia Wapanyo, Gemma Mostre, Lorivel Saa, the Elaine Terrero Amuloria Rosales family, Adelaida Ocano, Efigenia Zarate, Jacqueline Galio, Emelita Gonzalez, Charity Mayo, Belendi Jesus, Maricar Castaneda, Lee Fam Vlogs, Fe Guarnes, Karen Joyce Ubas, Emmy Garcia, Joanne Ambe, Via Havison, Mercy Narito, Hilas Ka, Tess Arellano, Irene Aliperio, Digna Villavicencio, and Melin Lorente. Yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. Well, actually, yesterday's and today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can, be careful. Bye.